Welcome to the exciting world of Cisco certification. Cisco certifications are powerful instruments of success that can remarkably improve your grasp of all things internet working. Our focus in this course is the Cisco Certified Network Associate Routing and Switching Certification. The knowledge and expertise you will gain here is essential for and relevant to every networking job, and it is why Cisco certifications, especially the Ccna, are such in high demand even at companies with few Cisco devices. Among all the Cisco certification paths, the Cisco routing and switching path is by far the most popular, even though the data center path is becoming more and more of a focus as companies migrate to data center technologies. The security and collaboration tracks also provide a good job opportunity, and even becoming more popular is the industrial Ccna. But understanding the foundation of routing and switching before attempting any other certification track is something I highly recommend. Now, there are two ways of becoming a Ccna routing and switching certified associate. The Cisco Certified Entry Network Technician Certification, or CCENT, is the entry level for Cisco certification paths, that is Cisco Routing and Switching Certification Path. It consists of one exam, the Interconnecting Cisco Network Devices Part 1 exam. The ICND-1 exam tests a candidate for the knowledge and skills required to successfully troubleshoot, install, operate a small branch office network. The exam includes questions on the operation of IP data networks, LAN switching technologies, IP version 6, IP routing technologies, IP services, network device security, and basic troubleshooting. Once you have achieved your CCENT certification, you can then take the ICND-2, that is Interconnecting Cisco Network Devices Part 2 exam, and together with ICND-1 and ICND-2, you will then become awarded the Ccna Routing and Switching certification. The ICND-2 exam tests a candidate for the knowledge and skills required to successfully operate, install, and troubleshoot a small to medium-sized enterprise branch network. The exam includes questions on LAN switching technologies, IP routing technologies, security, troubleshooting, and WAN technologies. Now, what I have described is a two-way step or a two-step process to achieve the Ccna Routing and Switching certification. Another option to become a Ccna Routing and Switching certified engineer is to pass the Ccna Routing and Switching Composite exam. It is just one test, but you need to know everything covered in ICND-1 and ICND-2. Now, if you take the exam separately, that is ICND-1 and ICND-2, you pay for each attempt $165. But if you take the composite exam, you pay an aggregate fee of $300 per attempt. Now, throughout this course, I will guide you step by step in building a very strong and solid foundation in routing and switching technologies. You really need to build on a strong technical foundation, and this will require you going through each video, participating and performing the written labs, and review questions at the end of each tutorial. I have broken down this course into 22 major tutorials. A tutorial might be split into multiple episodes to make your study process simpler and easier. Most of the tutorials are loaded with hands-on labs to assist you in building a solid foundation, the foundation required to pass the Ccna Routing and Switching exam. At the end of each tutorial, I will walk you through review questions and written labs to nail in the concepts. At the end of the course, I will lead you through more than 500 typical exam questions. This would cover the entire Ccna routing and switching exam requirements, including the format of the exam. Should you follow carefully the tutorials and review exams, you will have the foundation needed to pass the exam on your first attempt.